Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Google Sheets, and we're taking a look at a script that runs within Sheets that allows you to upload an image and then transform it either into pixel art or into emoji art. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select emoji art. I'm going to select an image. In this case, I'm going to choose a baseball right here. Select open, and then a new sheet will be added, and the script will run through and it'll start creating that art. What I do want to do, and you can see all this information in here, what I want to show you though is a few things. Here's the baseball in pixel art, so you can see it right there. Pretty neat to see. Then you can even see the rest of it over here. My son and daughter, there's Jack, and then Sydney here in pixel art, and then Sid and Jack as emojis, which is really pretty cool to see. Now what I'm going to do, this is going to does take about between a minute and two for the script to run through and for the artwork to be created, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the script is just about to be finished here, but just wanted to point this out. Here's some information if you're curious about what's going on. Okay, so now it's just about finished. Now it's finished, and you can see here's the baseball and emoji art. Now, you could go ahead and you could, of course, download this as a PDF if you like. What I'm going to do is Microsoft Excel. Give it a little time to load. Open it up. At the very top, we'll select Enable Editing. Okay, so what we can do is go ahead let's take a look at that baseball. So we'll scroll down here, and then we'll move in just a little bit so you can see what it looks like. And it's pretty neat to see the different emojis that are in there. I want to show you the one with Sydney and Jack, how they look here with emojis when you get closer. It's really pretty neat to see. So there you go. There's Sydney as emoji art. There you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.